So this is the demo video of my just code, and then testing my voice whether it is coming clear or not. Okay. Okay. This is just an example of a simple cantilever beam where left face is fixed, and right top face is given has been given UDL boundary condition, and I have generated the mesh in 4 by 4. You can increase the mesh size, decrease the mesh size. I will teach everything. For mesh generation, I have used open source software Gmesh. I will teach also that. Come to the code part. Okay, let me fill in everything. Okay, clear, mesh, all clear, clear, make. Now I'm compiling my code. Let's go to code section. Compiling, I have created many source file, many header files. So to compile everything, we have to use make file. It is compiling. Now compilation is completed. Now let me clear this section. Now this element dot input will be run the what is the input type, like input file, what kind of material I'm using, what kind of solver I'm using. Mesh file will read here, boundary condition, what are the boundary condition applied, where the output file will be stored. Everything will be given in this input sh. Set physics will state the what kind of physics I'm going to solve, like electrothermal, thermal, electrical, or structural. For this case, I am using solving the structural problem and solve the physics. In this solve physics, I will assemble the element matrix into global matrix and element force vector into global force vector and solve by. Then I will solve the linear equation Ku equal to F by using any linear solver like Jacobi, Gauss-Seidel method, any successive overlap method. Currently, I'm using precondition conjugate gradient method, and after the solving, I will store the file also. Whatever file has been completed, we'll store inside it. VTK format, which is used for the open source post processor or the paraview. Let me show you how my code is running. This code is developed in Ubuntu. So if work on Ubuntu, I will, if for Windows user, I will suggest you go for the WSL Windows subsystem of Linux. For installing, how to install Windows subsystem of Linux, you will find in YouTube. If you're having problem, you can comment on me. This is the output of my code. Okay, let me. This is the output of my code. Okay,